Hi guys, this is Charlotte Gallardo, your baby 920 from Team Honda Philippines. So for today's video, this is the first heat of the Ladies Open at the Motor A Series Round 1 at Malaybalay, Bukidnon. So the gate has dropped and nangunguna dyan si Laila Guro and nakuha ni Grace Atis at nakapag-triple siya. So third place lang ako dyan guys. So, ginagawa ko yung best ko dyan na i-push yung sarili ko na kung ano yung kaya ko pang gawin. And sa part na to, nag-bar to bar kami ng second place and nakuha ko siya dyan and nakuha na natin yung second place. So, isa na lang yung kailangan nating kunin para makuha natin yung first place. So, dito sa rhythm section, nakuha natin yung isang rider and nakuha na natin yung first place and ginagawa ko yung best ko dyan na ma-maintain yung first place. So, medyo nakapag-breakaway na tayo dyan and ginagawa ko yung best ko na ma-maintain yung place ko hanggang matapos yung race na to. One more lap to go. So, nakuha natin yung first place guys sa first heat ng round 1 of the Motor A series. So, abangan nyo yung final heat guys. Abangan nyo yung next video ko and sana nag-enjoy kayong manood sa video na to. Thanks for watching. Bye!